Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest for 12th virtual contest because I just couldn't make it today. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, my everything, and yeah. This is the live recording of the virtual contest. The solution or my explanation for each problem will have its own video, so definitely check that out. And yeah, without further ado, since this is a virtual contest, let's get started. Alright, let me scroll down slowly so that I don't, spoil the contest problem names. Alright, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go! 2 double problems again? Oh. Alright, let's see. K operation on nums. Minimum. Select the minimum x times mode y. What is K? K is only 10. Okay, well. Does the order matter? If they're the same value, why would that? Okay. Oh, wait. I was going to do a heap. Well, I guess we could still heap. Let's just heap it up. This is kind of hard, isn't it? For Q1. Well, I guess you could just put force for loop, but if K is equal to 10, maybe that's fine. But okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Just talking to myself. Oops, nope. Nope. Heapify? Heapify? How do you spell heapify? Is that how you spell heapify? It is, okay. Let's go to H. Okay, and then this is the double problem anyway, so I know that I'm solving a little bit trickier or whatever, but no, that's fine because hopefully we get to use most of this anyway. Heap push. Someone like this, right? Unless I'm misreading it. 16.8, 84656. All right, let's go. Okay, let's see what's this one. Is it just bigger numbers? Oh no, mod. After the K operations. Oh, you do it after the multiplier. Oh, 10 to the 9 times, so you can't do a heap. All right, we'll come back to it. I just wanted to see if I could reuse this one. All right. Okay, Q2. Count almost equal pairs 1. And this is there's more stuff. I like that there's an attention part though. They actually, I'm talking too much. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, XY is almost equal to, and most once I choose either X or Y and swap any 2 digits within the chosen number. So that's a little bit awkward, but okay. Oh, okay, that's less awkward, I suppose. Okay, and now in terms of number of indices. Okay, so n square is going to be fine, right? Let's crank that out first. I suppose the other one is the whatever, but this is easy to crank out, and we can use this as test anyway. What if they accept at most once? Okay. I wanted to say that the frequency matters, but then 3, 0, and 3 is kind of awkward. Okay, maybe not. If okay. Doesn't really matter, but it allows us to do this with okay, so that means they're the same key. So they have at most 2 differences, right? Two, 10, 0. Am I good? I hope so. Okay. Alright, how am I doing so far? We're probably not deep enough. Okay, so this is Q1, but with way bigger numbers. K is big. Okay, let's see. So this is otherwise the same problem. Should be maybe still be able to use this idea. Because basically, we're trying to find a cycle until every number gets multiplied again. Is that even true? Oh, only 442. I mean, that's the only problem with virtual, is that I almost wish they don't show us this, the total accepted part, because it's kind of a little bit of a spoiler on how hard it is. Also, this is 2 hard problems. Huh. I might skip ahead but let's see if I can think about this. Multiply can be big. I mean, what does the input number mean? We should be able to do like a thing, but with cycle finding, well, that's a hard sell. With n is equal to 10 to the 4th. And I'm gonna skip ahead for a sec. Also 402, so I don't know. Alright, I mean, maybe give this a try first. The number of operations is twice. Oh, so you can swap 2 numbers. What does swapping 2 numbers mean here? 5,000 is a crappy n, because I feel like in some language n square is fast enough, but in Python it might not be, and I'm not even, and you might have to mind read a little bit. whether n square is fast enough, which is kind of crappy. Like this should never happen for an input because we just don't know if it's going to be fast enough. Can I do n log n or anything? Do I have any ideas? If I do the delta way, the same as Q1, the number of changes is 3, because it's basically we have 1, 2, 3, and you have whatever 3, 2, 1, then. But is that too slow? Ten to the 7. What's 10 to the 7? Ten to the 7 is so less than 10 to the 7. So 7 digits. 2 to the 7 is what? 128. 120 times 5,000 should be okay. Is it though? Or how are you doing it, Larry? And not double counting it? Yeah, that's the trouble, isn't it? It's easier to double count. Also, and then you times it by another 7. Yeah, that should be okay actually, but maybe. Let's then it becomes n squared. Can I do inclusion exclusion? Is it inclusion exclusion? Man, yeah, today's not an easy day, is it? At least it's nice knowing that I'll be 23rd. Or I could have been. Maybe I'll give Q3 a try. I feel like I have Q4 though. Inclusion, exclusion, 7. No, because you cannot have only one item out of place. So you minus the thing that are exact. Is that how that works, Larry? They're exactly the same. I don't know. Can I get the math work on exclusion, inclusion? Okay, so do a lookup on that. It's not 2 to the 7, Larry. It is 7 choose 3. But that's not correct, is it? If they're both precisely the same. Then you would have all 7 choose 2 possible. No, because then you have 7 choose 3 things as well. So it's going to be choose 3 minus 7 choose 2 plus 7 choose 1. What is 7 choose 3? 35 minus 7 choose 2, so that's 14 plus that's 21. That's 20. That doesn't make sense. How am I not doing the double counting here? How do I not double count? Pen and paper time, I guess. Alright, so let's say they're exactly the same. Then now you would create so in this case it's 4 choose 3, which is equal to 4. 4 choose 2, which is equal to, what is that, 12, 24, over 4 is 6. They all match. And then 4 choose 1 is equal to 4, and 4 choose 0 is equal to 1. So then now, but there's a lot of double counting here. How am I taking out the double counting? So 7 choose 3. Okay, so it's going to be 35. And then for each, so I cannot do the easy math part. So it's 35. And then it's going to be 3 choose 2. Which is 3. Then 2 choose 1, which is 2. So So then that's just about like 200 operations. Does that make sense though? Usually I keep on refreshing to see like how many more people solve it, but apparently here might not be sufficient. 51st, wow, people are getting it though. Okay. If n squared works, I'll be very sad also, by the way. But I don't know. Then what? No, counter. Right. Digits, max digits. So whatever, just sort. So then digits is equal to something like that. Right. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so it does what I think it should do. That's not enough. Okay. lookup of S. US. I need index. I do need index. I don't even know if I'm doing the right thing, honestly. I think this might be one for 2 digits as well, because yeah. Have to fix this bit. Okay, let's at least get this right first. Okay. I think I could do combinations somewhere. Yeah, why am I writing this? So we have to index these in a way. I need to rewrite this, but okay. We don't need any of these. I could rewrite this part too, actually. So then now we have tuples. Let's just write it. It's not done yet, but I don't want to keep going without more progress, so let's take a look. Also, I'm not doing enough. I need to, okay. Non-local. Minus 90 is probably pretty bad. Okay. So 3. Why is that 1? Why is that 1? Oh, whoops. I guess that's fair, but Still not right though, but I should. Shouldn't matter actually. It should be 0 to begin with. I mean, here it's different, but. Oh, I'm printing it after the lookup, so I guess that's fine. Yeah, I'm printing after the increment, so that's why. Okay, fine. That's silly. Okay. But we're not. Okay, so I can't do it quite like this, because then it counts itself. Let's rewrite this real quick. How much time do I even have? 53 minutes. If I'm right, then at least we should be good, maybe. I don't know if I'm getting this though, honestly. Okay. Okay, that's what I want, kind of. That's better. That's good, kind of. Okay. This is what we want. Okay. Is this right? I don't know. Is this even fast enough? Also don't know, honestly. This also double counts on this part. Well, that is all zeros. Maybe I've done a lot of nothing. This should be 1. Oh, because we don't, I did not increment afterwards. Okay, that's fair. So I do add stuff, but then I subtract them out. Because of double counting, maybe? So this is 1, this is 2, okay. And then we subtract out these two. I don't know. Alright, let's just finish writing. I'm going to choose one by one. Ready? I thought we would have done something. Honestly, a little bit tired. And maybe the server's having issue. Maybe my internet is having issue. No, my internet seems fine. I clicked on the one code button, it doesn't do anything, which is not good. Server issues even on a virtual contest. Great. There you go. Okay. Okay, we add this. I thought this would be a general idea, but somehow it is all zeroing out. Okay, it seems to be generating the right things. This should be incrementing. What's this going to be? Oh, it's doing all the adding and then it's incrementing. No, that's fine. That's right. That's awkward. That is incrementing the same thing multiple times. Actually. I'm not doing this right. How am I doing it? Okay. I'm doing this incorrectly. One doesn't make sense. What am I doing? So why is... How do we never add back one things? Even if it's wrong. I mean, I'm doing it wrong anyway. What am I doing? And now server's having issues. I can't... Even doing a virtual, we have server issues. Can't even unload, refresh this. But alright, let me think about this problem while it is trying to refresh. I can't even load this. No, let's no, it's not 4 choose 2, it's 3 choose 2. 3 choose 2 is just 3. Incrementing is not the same though, Larry. I think that's the difference. This is so annoying. Leetcode, why don't you just work for once? Even on a virtual, I cannot get a break on running this code. Is it just me? No, Reddit works. Google works. So it's just Leetcode, right? Okay, it's back maybe. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Okay, let's try this. Wait for... I don't think this is right, but just want to see if I get anything. Honestly, maybe I shouldn't have deleted so much code. At least like save it else somewhere. But why is it 0 though? T income. This is if does this code work? This code seems to work. Well, not really actually. Okay. Oh, wait. It's not. This is actually. Okay. So we're 5 and 6. At least it's something. I don't think this is. I mean, this cannot be right because this is not how inclusion exclusion works. But at least with something. Okay. If oh yeah, okay. That's not good enough. 0, 1, 2, 3. Why is that? That doesn't make sense. 1, 2. A lot of. Oh, I'm dumb. Larry, what are you doing? Okay. How did I get 4 from this though? This doesn't seem right. Because the answer is 4, the second is 3. There's no inclusion exclusion that makes sense. Right? What does this 2 mean? What am I printing out? Count subcarrier. So that means that the only one that exists is this one. No, that's the other one. Okay, that means that this one. But we double counted, right? Don't we double count it? How do we subtract out the double counting? But it could be inclusion, exclusion, right? This is a mess. Maybe I should have gone for the other one. How much time do I have left? 32 minutes. I don't even know if I'm gonna get a third problem. How do I do the double counting? Because basically if you add the last one is 3. Also I'm wrong. Wow. I miss, because you can do you could do two different swaps on 2 different numbers. So you have 4 things that are different. That's even more wrong. Huh. Whoops. The way that I did it is not that hard to fix, but still. If this would have been right. Wait, is that true? That cannot be true for the first one, because then now maybe I'm just thinking about this all wrong, because it's not swaps if 4 of them are like 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Because we have 4 numbers, I think it's just brute force lookup, right? Maybe I'm just being dumb. It's just lookup on the brute force, so then you swap. So it's 7 times 7. What is 7 times 7 to the 4? It's still like almost 5,000 though. And it's such a silly thing. Yeah, I've been thinking about this all along, honestly. 7 choose 4 is 35, and then times 4 factorial, 840. 7 choose 4 times 4 factorial. No, you don't even need, is it 4 factorial? No, 7 choose 4 times 4 times 3. So it's 35 times 4 times 3 for the brute force. Okay, I think I know how to do this one, maybe. I don't even know if it's right though, but okay. That's a lot of exploration. Okay, fine. So then now we take 4 digits. So just brute force kind of thing, right? Or like case analysis. Good amount of people's got it. Okay, so then we take 4 digits, then now so we want to swap I and J, and then we want to swap the other 2. How do I get the other 2 easily? This is so dumb. Okay, and then now we have 3 things. Let's do the 2 things first, because I think really? Oh, I don't increment. What? Oh. 9 and 12 is pretty high, actually. Why? So we're still double counting, aren't we? Possibly. I mean, it may be. I don't know if we're doing it here, but definitely still possibly doing it. Yeah, we're definitely up double counting. So this is the double swap, right? Maybe this is wrong. I hope this is wrong. Only because otherwise. 0231, okay. This is probably right. Two, 310. Huh? Oh, because we look up. Oh, I am dumb. Dumbo. Okay, 3, 3. Okay, that's fine because we didn't do the swap 3. Yeah, we didn't do the swap 3, so we should be good. Maybe. I can't believe. How does it do? How would I do it? Swap IJ. And then JK. Then that just becomes 2, right? So we need IJ. So okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. We 1, 3, 1, 2. Then we do. Right? Is this right? I'm so worried about double counting. Is that enough though? I think there's another one where you go the other way. Are we double counting? It doesn't look like we're double counting, which is good. 5 and 6. Well, then I guess we are double counting. Okay, so this double counts. Is it on the... Oh. Okay, that's good. Maybe. Well, here the 3s are not good either though. Oh, because of the duplicate digits. Five still, really? Four is good. So this is matching. Well, 3 and 2. Why not? Why? How did we add? Oh no. Oh, because I don't add scene. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Okay. I mean, is it fast enough? I don't know, to be honest. But the math should be better. But at this point, got a YOLO. How much time do I have left? 15 minutes. Maybe it times out. Ooh, wrong answer is worse than timing out. But how do we... Oh. Huh. Because it doesn't have enough digits. No, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so it does something. Oh, I didn't do the exact thing. Okay, this is easy to fix. Is it 48? Okay, I get 48. I just forgot to do the exact thing. Okay, okay. Maybe we're still Gucci. Maybe we just get 5 wrong answers, which is still better than no right answers. Okay, we're over counting. Because we also do the swap here. Okay, that's fine. I think we just need to do I should have done it this way actually to begin with. $49, okay. I'm a little bit YOLOing because we have 12 minutes left. I don't have time to kind of think of the wrong answer cases. I'm still overcounting, huh? Undercounting I could make... No, I guess there's no way for me to undercount, but how do I get overcount? And this is now getting a little bit tougher to debug. X is with the prefix. They're the same, then we don't change anything, so we don't count. Okay. Am I missing a thing here? I'm overcounting though. And this part should be the same. Where am I overcounting though? I don't have enough time to debug this. This is a disaster. I should use a permutation here, honestly, but because I think that simplifies my code a bit. What is it wrong on though? It's so... I can't believe I forgot the zero case, but that's 10 minutes. I guess maybe this is it. All the other ones are right. What am I missing? Are these... Oh. How did I miss this? In that one place. Oh man, I was actually debating whether that's needed, but hopefully, I don't know why that would be needed though. All right, no time to, well, no time to do this problem anyway. But at least we got Q4, so we're not 100% too embarrassing, just mildly embarrassing. Mod. I didn't even get to really think about this problem, but whew. Alright, I want to revisit that problem, but not now. I have 10 minutes. I'm gonna upsolve this. You know, I'm gonna upsolve this, but it's still gonna be quite a bit. 459 though. What's up here? Try to figure out the pattern. So this is my Q1. Right, I mean, so other than, obviously we need to think, but then that's gonna be too slow. We just need to get the multiplier such that it gets... Okay, let's say you want this n times. No, I mean... Maybe even like... So you want to get the smallest number such that it gets the bigger number. Then now every number is between multiple, and then now you can do it cycle times, right? Okay. I mean, I don't know if I have enough time for it, but yeah, we'll do best efforts, right? Yeah. Maybe just greater than 0. Okay. And then now we want to say smallest, whoops. So I want to get the index though. And it could have multiple same numbers, but yep, this is wrong, Larry. Okay, so then now we do this. If x is equal to smallest, actually we only need a count. I mean, if I have enough time, this is actually not that bad, I don't think. But is it true though? Can you, if it's 2, then now it's going to be whatever, but then let's say you have 3 and 4, or 2 and 3. You have 4 and 6, 6 and 8, 12 and 16, 24 and 32, and then eventually 42. No, we'll never catch up, right? Or you never need more. Okay, yeah, no, this is the right idea, but I ran out of time on it, probably. 4 minutes left, but we'll upsolve it though. Yeah, I mean, every heap pop is going to be the smallest. So then now we just have to count the smallest one, right? So then now, yeah, that's okay. But we want to make sure that, okay, so I guess the first time we want to get the largest, actually. Then that means that all the numbers smaller than largest is good. Right. So then now we have k left, and we just want to distribute it, right? Okay, so then ordering is going to be, you go to just order of heaps. Something like this. Okay, so then now we have k left. So then now we have just gonna be out of time, which is a little bit sad, but that's not a big deal. So then cycles is just equal to, so k left divided by length of ordering, and then leftovers is just equal to k mod length of ordering. Okay, and then now order, okay, for I in range of leftovers, we want to say ordering sub I, we multiply by multiplier, right? Oh, not ordering sub I. Ordering sub I is going to be the index, so then it's nums of order. Okay. And then all the other ones by cycles. So it's going to be pow of multiplier, cycles, and then mod, right? And then nums of I mod. Oof, and it's not defined. And that's not right. I was going to do YOLO submit. There's a minute left. Maybe I could still YOLO submit. K is equal to 2. So, okay. I mean, I guess I ran out of time because I spent a little bit too long on Q3 or Q4 rather. Okay, so 3 cycles is pretty wrong. Because K is 2, oh no, K is 10,000. Okay, no, wait. K is 2, so this is just weird. Oh, why did I have increment here? Wow. Okay, that is just a silly typo. Still wrong, but I think we're off by, maybe off by a little bit. So we have K is equal to 1, ordering is off. It should be 1 and 0, so that's why this is off. But oh, because this is break. We have a print statement. YOLO submit. I think I just missed it, but it may be wrong anyway. But you know, I wanted to give it a YOLO attempt. Maybe it's times out. Why does it time out? Oh, because multiply is equal to 1. Right. If that's the only case, then I am very sad. But oh. Alright, okay, let me post the screenshots. But would have been a pretty good contest, I think, maybe. I was hoping that my ranking would, I should have kept it up there, but I have it on a screenshot, which is 135 anyway. No, but I would have gotten all, well, okay, so a lot of people got all Q4, so maybe I wouldn't have done as well as I thought it would be. Like I probably would have been, so I have 3 penalties and 1 penalty on the other one, so so if you want to say 130 plus 20, so it's like 150. So so 200 would have been actually my expectation. So I don't know, maybe that's good, maybe that's bad, but very close. I kind of got stuck on Q4 thinking about inclusion exclusion. I should have kept it up, but oh well. How did I do this? I mean, I don't think it was so bad, to be honest, but I just, oh, not this one. Back to contest. Yeah, here. So I could see the, does that, no. No, that is very sad, by the way. How do I see my virtual results? I feel like there's a way to check your virtual results, right? Like, or did I make that up? Well, I'll post it on screen because I have the screenshot, so I guess that's close enough to. Let's put it on a new window anyway. I thought there was a way to show your virtual results. Oh, so the top right. Oh, is it under my? Oh, I see. Oh, huh. Thanks. Okay, that's kind of good. Well, if it loads the time, good. I would say though, there was about a 2-minute like Leetcode was down thing, so I'm giving myself a full self. I mean, it's a virtual anyway, so it doesn't matter. But because I literally, if I had those 2 minutes, I would have gotten all 4, which I guess in this world is a good enough problem. But and even now it's not. Oh, I clicked on refresh just as it finished loading, but okay. I mean, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. So. So I'll consider it giving myself an all kill for this one, or solve for this one. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, for this video anyway, for the contest video, that's all I have. Definitely. Wait. Actually, I do want to do like a quick retro because I try to anyway. Let's see. I think I should have. I don't know. I mean, what I want to say is that I should have maybe solved Q3 before Q4, but I should have gotten both anyway. So, and if I should have gotten both, it shouldn't matter. But I also just kind of went the wrong approach on Q4 for too much. I was thinking of inclusion exclusion until I finally did the math correctly. And also the other thing was that I didn't use the libraries enough. I think once I did that, that would have been good. But I also missed, and there were just a few minor things like copy and paste here. I missed the not seen part here. And I think the scene thing is not needed except for in the 3 case. Maybe I'm wrong on this. So I think maybe I just need this. I don't know. Because I do want to revisit this, so maybe let me actually upsolve. I don't know if you want to call it upsolve, but I mean this would be right just because it is based off the correct answer. But I want to do it without the scene thing. I don't know that it is needed after I added all the other things. That's why I was a little bit surprised, but also that I missed it anyway. But I don't know. Right. Okay. Well, it's not even working for here. Why is it not working for? If this is not the case, I do wonder. Like, how is it double counting? It's double counting on the 4. Why? But we already do the check. IJ. So did the same. Oh, I see. It's because we swap both I and J and then J and I. Is it only on the 4s? I don't want permutation. I want permutation because it's easy to write and that's fine. But what I actually want is one. I can't. that's kind of why I wrote it the other way before, is because I kind of wanted for choose two, but I didn't know how to write it that well. Maybe I could see. Because I want like yeah. Oh, maybe I could have just written. Yeah, okay. Maybe for this one it's fine. For 4 it is fine. Just because it would have been okay if I didn't have that. I think I just missed this case, this if statement. Oh, I left in the print statement, so maybe that's why. Yeah, okay. Well, I noticed that part. Whoops. Whoopsie daisies. Thought I ran it. Oh yeah, I guess the input is not that big. Would this still be working? So that was a silly mistake that cost me a couple of times. And I actually wrote this correctly before, so I didn't even need this really. It's because I wrote it correctly, but I didn't have these 2 if statements. So what I want is then now, if I don't want this scene thing, how do I do it? So it's something like I want a partition, not even. We want a combination, and then the stuff that's not in combination, right? So then, like for ij in combinations t of 2, and then we have to get kl somehow, which is I guess annoying, but or maybe we could just do like t is a tuple, is a set minus set of ij, and then maybe that could have been okay. I don't know. And this is just like syntax, right? But and when we'll do this after the I guess we need this actually. List of x. I mean, you could have checked it without conversion, I suppose, but would that have worked? No. But it's a different no, so that's kind of weird, but okay. ij, Okay, so it only double checks here. So why? What is the ij kl here? Oh, because the kl is not now. No, that doesn't make sense. Huh. Let's see. Oh, because we flipped ij and then the kl. So then, so to get rid of this, we just have to get rid of that double counting. So it's not even just 4 choose 2 choose 2. It's 4 choose 2 choose 2 over. Well, it is 4 choose 2, or 4 factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial. It is 4 choose 2. Not choose 2. Yeah, it's 4 choose 2, but then I have to divide it by 2 because we double count. Fine. So maybe you have like 4 equals 0. So then we have 4s here. And then total, right? Maybe that is, yeah. And then now we don't need the scene thing. And that would have saved me just enough time for me to somehow finish the other one. The other one was not that bad, honestly, but I think I just kind of, I don't know. I mean, sometimes you just draw into a problem, but in Leetcode, the scoring doesn't matter anyway. Ooh, wrong answer. So maybe I do still have an issue here. Right, should be okay. We double count the ordering. No, it should be fine. mean, I guess we can do something like so this is where we're double counting, but why? Tell me why. And one of them will appear twice. That's what I thought. So then this, okay, but it's on here. So this input has some different story to tell. That's what I thought, but and that story is hard to read. It starts here. I mean, we're off by 2, so it's impossible for me to gonna manually check. I don't know. I mean, I guess we know. I mean, I definitely. So it wouldn't have saved me that much time because I don't know how to debug this. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to tell where we're getting the issues from, even though we know it's here. I'm double counting somehow. Oh, I see. I could see it. I see it. I see it. I see a case. Basically, if W sub J is equal to W sub K, then we double count those. So you have to do like a scene thing, maybe, or like that's the easiest way. I suppose. Okay, fine. Maybe I just have to concede that. I don't know how to increment it, but not like you could do something like making sure that it's in order or something like that, but I think that's just like complicated, honestly. Okay, fine. Maybe I cannot do without that part. I could have done without it on the 3 part, which is kind of I don't know. Give a final submit. All right. I mean, I guess that's the post, the retro. So maybe I could. I don't know. And I just honestly spent a lot of time on the wrong idea because I was thinking that maybe you could do inclusion exclusion counting, but I just couldn't get it to work. But that did prompt me to look at the math carefully to do it this way. Is the idea. I don't know that I just sort. I guess sorting lets me do this, but and then after that, it just becomes a little bit brute forcey. Just brute force in a smart way, which I didn't think about, honestly. I had the second operation I just kind of underestimated on what it did, and then this one I did pretty quickly, honestly, right? I did it, yeah. I ended up spending about 12 minutes on it. I mean, I had some idea, but I wasn't really thinking about this one. I think the key idea here is just noticing that with multiplier, just get it into a range and then you cannot catch up. I guess that's the big thing. Unless it's equal to 1, which is how I get one wrong answer, or one time limit exceeded. Yeah. Anyway, that's all I have for the weekly contest. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's contest. Yeah. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I will see you all later. Take care. Bye bye.